Can I track my spouse's phone without having to install any software?
In this video, we'll discuss the possibility of tracking your spouse's phone without installing any software. We'll cover the legality of such actions, as well as alternative methods for keeping track of your loved ones.
Is it legal to track your spouse's phone?
Before diving into the specifics, it's crucial to address the legality of tracking someone's phone. Tracking someone's phone without their consent can be considered an invasion of privacy and may be illegal in your jurisdiction. Always make sure to respect your spouse's privacy and seek their consent before attempting any tracking methods.
Can I track a phone without installing software?
The short answer is yes. It is technically possible to track a phone without installing software. However, these methods are limited in their accuracy and may not provide you with the information you're looking for. How can I track a phone using mobile network providers? Mobile network providers can often track the location of a phone based on the cellular towers it connects to. However, this method is not always precise, and access to such information is usually restricted to law enforcement and other authorized personnel. Can I track a phone using Find My iPhone or Google Find My Device? Find My iPhone, for iOS devices, and Google Find My Device, for Android devices, are services that allow users to track their devices if they're lost or stolen. To use these services, you'll need the login credentials for your spouse's Apple ID or Google account, which they may not be comfortable sharing with you. Additionally, these services require the device owner to have enabled the tracking feature beforehand.
What are some alternatives to tracking my spouse's phone?
If you're concerned about your spouse's well-being or whereabouts, consider discussing your concerns with them and finding a mutual agreement on how to stay in touch. Some alternatives to tracking their phone include: 1. Setting up regular check-ins. Establish a routine where you and your spouse check in with each other throughout the day. 2. Using location-sharing apps. With consent, use apps like Life 360 or Google Maps location sharing feature to stay connected with your spouse. 3. Communicating openly. Keep an open line of communication with your spouse to discuss any concerns or issues that arise in your relationship. While it is technically possible to track your spouse's phone without installing software, it's essential to consider the legality and ethical implications of such actions. Always respect your spouse's privacy and seek their consent before attempting any tracking methods. Instead, focus on building trust and maintaining open communication with your spouse to ensure both parties feel comfortable and secure in the relationship.